Hello, today I would like to show you this, the NOVOO 100 watt wall charger, RG100. It comes in a box like this, and inside you would have the charger itself, a user manual, this is the one, and a feedback card, and the USB-C to USB-C charger, which is nylon layered, feels quite solid, quite sturdy. But the main attraction, the star of the show, is this, the wall charger. It's got three connections. First of all, it feels sturdy. It feels very well built. It feels durable. It has three ports, USB-C, USB-C, USB-A. And you can either use a single port, the top one, to charge the 100 watt maximum. It's very fast. Or you can use the second one, 100 watts. Or you can use only the USB-A, that will get you 22.5 watts. You can use two ports in the same time. You can use the top two USB-Cs and you would get 70 watts from the top one and 30 watts from the bottom one. You can use the top one and the USB-A, that will get you 70 watts from here and 18 watts from the USB-A. Or you can use the bottom one, USB-C, and the USB-A, 12 watts, 12 watts. Or you can use all three of them, in which case you would still get 70 watts from the top port and 12 watts and 12 watts from the other two. I've been using it on laptop. I've been using it to charge my tablet, my phone, my LED lamp, and it is actually super fast. And it's very well made. It feels heavy, not heavy, unnecessarily heavy, but heavy as in well made. It just got this good feel in the hand. It doesn't feel plasticky. I like it. I like it a lot. And that is the NOVOO RG100 wall charger with three ports.